Okay, it's day 2 of poetry, and I really believe you should reread your poem every time. So I want you to read it with me. That's called choral reading. We're going to read it out loud together. I'm not telling you the title still, but the poem is by Oliver Herford. Under a toadstool crept a wee elf out of the rain to shelter himself. Under the toadstool, sound asleep, sat a big dormouse all in a heap. Trembled the wee elf, frightened and yet fearing to fly away lest he get wet, to the next shelter, maybe a mile. Sudden, the wee elf smiled a wee smile, tugged till the toadstool toppled in two. Holding it over him, gaily he flew. Soon woke the dormouse. Good gracious me, where is my toadstool? Loud he lamented. And that's how umbrellas first were invented. All right, so what was your title? What did you say this poem was mainly about? Okay, did some of you say umbrellas? You might have said, oh, it's mainly about umbrellas, because that was near the end of the poem, and sometimes we look for things near the end. Or what else? An elf and a dormouse? You could have said that. I bet some of you said a sneaky elf. Some of you might have said that. I want to hear what you said. I will tell you now the real title to the poem. The real title is Elf and Dormouse. So today we're going to answer some questions about the elf and dormouse. So some of you have sheets in a packet of your questions, and others of you might have it on your screen. So this is your first question, and I'm going to keep the poem up. The question says this: the elf flew under the toadstool to... Why did he fly under the toadstool? Tell me. Look right here. I think I can underline it with my tools. He flew under there because, even up here, twice I can see it. Out of the rain to shelter himself. He flew under there so he wouldn't get wet because it's raining. So look at your choices. Sometimes I think it's better to just read the question and see if you know the answer, and then look at the choices. After the elf broke off the toadstool. Well, let's go find that. After he broke it off, let's see, sudden, the wee elf smiled a wee smile, tugged till the toadstool toppled in two, holding it over him, gaily he flew. Right after that, what happened? Oh, the dormouse woke up. Is that an option? I'll let you see if it is. When the dormouse lamented, he probably was, we had that word lamented in our vocabulary. And you can look back at your vocabulary slideshow to find lamented. But what do you think he's doing? Good gracious me, where is my toadstool? He lamented. And it says he loudly lamented. So what do you think he's doing? You think he's crying? How's he feeling? All right, so look at your choices. Number 4, another good title for this poem. Oh, I had you come up with a title. What did you think? What was your title? I'm going to tell you the choices on here. Rain, rain, go away. The sleeping dormouse. The happy elf. Or inventing the umbrella. Which of those do you think is best? Number 5, the dormouse woke up. Why did he wake up? Soon woke the dormouse. Well, why do you think he woke up? Think about what has just happened. The elf tugged until the toadstool toppled in two, and he flew away with it. So why do you think that the dormouse woke up? I bet you're right. Because what's happening outside? Number 6, why was the elf frightened? What was he scared of? Was he scared of the rain? Do you think? No, he just didn't want to get wet. What was he scared of? All right. Today you need to make sure you have answered the questions and you have a synonym sheet. It really is a synonym sheet. And you need to find the words that mean the same thing and cross them out and do the next one. Have a good day.